Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the complexities of human behavior, relationships, and the psychology that shapes our lives. Today, we're tackling an issue that many of us have encountered, either directly or indirectly: toxic relationships. Ever wonder why toxic relationships seem to follow a predictable cycle? Why do they feel like a roller coaster ride of emotions? Stick around, because we're about to uncover the hidden pattern behind toxic relationships, the signs to watch out for, and how to break free from the cycle. If you've ever felt trapped in a relationship that drains you more than it fulfills you, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Toxic relationships often operate on a cyclical pattern that keeps individuals trapped. This cycle can be broken down into 3 key stages: idealization, devaluation, and discard. Let's unpack each of these stages to reveal the hidden dynamics. 1. The idealization phase, the honeymoon high. At the beginning of a toxic relationship, everything feels perfect. The person who eventually becomes toxic may shower you with love, attention, and praise. This phase is often called love bombing, a strategic method to make you feel like you've found the one. This stage is all about creating dependency. The toxic individual might mirror your interests, compliment your every move, and make you feel like you're on top of the world. For many, this phase is intoxicating. It can feel like a fairy tale, but it's actually the setup for the next stage. 2. The devaluation phase, cracks in the facade. As the relationship progresses, the dynamics begin to shift. The once adoring partner might start to criticize, belittle, or withdraw affection. This stage is marked by emotional manipulation. The toxic person may use guilt trips, gaslighting, or passive-aggressive behavior to make you feel inadequate. You might find yourself constantly walking on eggshells, trying to keep the peace or regain the love and validation you experienced during the idealization phase. Over time, you begin to question your own worth and sanity, which is exactly what the toxic individual wants. They thrive on control. 3. The discard phase, the cold reality. Eventually, the toxic partner may pull away completely, leaving you feeling abandoned or rejected. This stage can happen abruptly or gradually, depending on the person. The discard phase is often a power play, leaving you desperate for closure. Some toxic individuals may return, restarting the cycle and pulling you back into their web. This push-pull dynamic creates an addictive cycle of highs and lows, making it incredibly difficult to leave. Why do these patterns persist? Toxic relationships thrive on emotional dependency and power imbalances. Here's why they persist. 1. Trauma bonding. The alternating periods of love and abuse create a psychological bond, much like an addiction. Your brain becomes wired to crave the good moments, even if they are fleeting. 2. Low self-worth. The devaluation phase erodes self-esteem, making it harder to recognize your own value and walk away. 3. Fear of loneliness. Many people stay in toxic relationships out of fear of being alone or believing they won't find someone else. 4. Hope for change. The hope that the toxic partner will return to the loving person they were during the idealization phase keeps people stuck. How to break free from the cycle. Breaking free from a toxic relationship isn't easy, but it's possible. Here's how. 1. Recognize the pattern. Awareness is the first step. Understand that this cycle is intentional and not a reflection of your worth. 2. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to behaviors that hurt you. Boundaries are essential for self-preservation. 3. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a therapist who can provide perspective and emotional support. 4. Rebuild self-worth. Engage in activities that bring you joy and remind you of your value outside the relationship. 5. Cut ties completely. If possible, go no contact to avoid being drawn back into the cycle. Toxic relationships are draining, but understanding the hidden pattern behind them can empower you to break free and reclaim your life. Remember, you deserve a relationship built on mutual respect, love, and trust. If this video resonated with you or you think it could help someone else, share it with them. Let's start a conversation in the comments. Have you ever noticed these patterns in your own relationships? Thank you for watching. We turn life's challenges into opportunities for growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay strong, stay self-aware, and remember, You are worthy of love and happiness.